They founded in 1971, was it? Yeah. So the factory. And H. Upman. H. Upman, you said.
In Monte Cristo.
And Monte Cristo. Monte Cristo is like really expensive.
Okay, the cigar has three parts: binder, and wrapper. The filler is inside the cigar. The binder is the sub-wrapper, and the wrapper is the final aesthetic of the cigar. We use the 75% tobacco from the Dominican Cigar Lake in the north of the country, and the other parts, other tobacco, they come to United States, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Indonesia, Cameroon, and the other parts.
Connecticut, to be exact.
Yeah, exactly.